Taking your driving test, feeling those butterflies, that's normal. Everyone gets nervous. The secret, preparation. It's the key to feeling calm and confident on test day. First things first, practice. Practice makes perfect. Get comfortable behind the wheel. Practice your parking, your turns, and your lane changes. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. Next up, know the rules of the road. A day before your road test, study the driving manual. Understand traffic signs and signals. This knowledge will help you make the right decisions on the road. Don't forget to get a good night's sleep before the big day. A well-rested driver is a focused driver. Eat a healthy breakfast to keep your energy levels up. You got this. Imagine a knight going into battle without knowing his horse. Sounds crazy, right? Your car is like your trusty steed during the driving test. You need to know it inside and out. Before the test, familiarize yourself with the car's controls. Adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility. Make sure you know how to use the turn signals, windshield wipers, and headlights. Practice using the parking brake too. The examiner will want to see that you can use it safely and effectively. Knowing your car also means understanding its size and dimensions. This helps with parking and maneuvering in tight spaces. Remember, confidence comes from knowing your vehicle. Be comfortable, and you'll be ready to impress. Here's a golden rule for impressing those examiners. Be an attentive driver. Keep your eyes on the road at all times. Scan your surroundings, check your mirrors frequently, and be aware of your blind spots. Examiners are looking for drivers who are alert and aware. Show them you're on top of your game. Remember to maintain a safe following distance. Don't tailgate the car in front of you. Anticipate potential hazards and react accordingly. This demonstrates good judgment and safe driving practices. Staying focused is key. Driving smoothly is like dancing, it's all about finesse. Examiners pay close attention to your driving skills. They want to see smooth braking, proper signaling, and correct turns. When you brake, do it gradually. Avoid sudden stops unless absolutely necessary. When turning, use your turn signals well in advance. This gives other drivers ample warning of your intentions. Stay in your lane and maintain a consistent speed. Avoid weaving in and out of traffic. Remember, the goal is to demonstrate that you're a safe and competent driver. Drive smoothly, confidently, and you'll ace that test.